What is US30 and how do you trade it? Well, first off, I have no hate for Forex pairs. I traded them when I first started trading Forex, but honestly, indices are really where the money's at, and trading US30 will change everything for you. And honestly, when I was trading Forex pairs, I had days with a couple $100. Now I'm consistently having $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 days trading US30. So sit back and enjoy the information, because what I'm about to tell you will get you to the road to six figures this year. Now you're probably wondering, what is the difference between a Forex pair and an indice? Well, the top three indices that I like to focus on are the S&P 500, NAS 100, the NASDAQ, and US30, my overall favorite, which is the Dow Jones. Now, indices have a lot more money involved in the markets, meaning that there's going to be a lot more volatility and they're going to move a lot quicker. Now, I like Forex pairs, but honestly, when I would trade Forex pairs, it would take days to catch 100 pips. You can catch 100 pips with indices literally in minutes, if not seconds. There was a day when I was trading US30. This is actually how I had my biggest trading day. And literally within 10 minutes, it went down 1,000 pips on a specific trade, which is insane. I've never even seen a Forex pair to 1,000 pips unless it was like a whole week or 2 weeks or even a month duration. So with indices, there's going to be a lot quicker movements. Like I said a second ago, indices move hundreds of pips very quickly. So you're going to be able to get a much larger pip count versus Forex pairs. And I know a lot of you are probably saying, Colt, well, GBP USD and GBP JPY, they move 100 pips overnight. That's awesome. I love GBP JPY. That was one of my favorite Forex pairs. But honestly, once I switched to indices, I saw movements in the market that were absolutely insane. And the cool thing about indices is the candle recognition is just on point. I cannot tell you guys how perfect the setups are and how the setups actually follow it. The market follows that setup perfectly. And when I was trading Forex pairs, I would just be nourishing these trades forever and ever and just waiting for it to go my way. And what I love about indices, especially when you trade the New York session, is they are moving quick. You're going to see a very quick reaction off the zones that you are entering on. Last point that I love is the moves happen very quickly. I usually trade US30 off the 5-minute or the minute 15 time frame, just because those are the perfect ideal time frames to trade US30. So there was a time when I was actually trading off the 5-minute chart and I saw a spinning top, and within 2 minutes it went up 2,000 pips, which is absolutely insane. What I would recommend that you guys do after this video, or you could pause this video, is go to TradingView and type in US30 on the Owanda chart, and you can look back in time during the New York session or even the London session, and you could see these moves actually playing out. I'm not exaggerating at all. Go back in time and look for yourself. Now, what broker do we use to trade indices? There are not a lot of brokers that have indices on it, so I'm going to give you one. The broker is Hugo's Way, and there is a link in my description so you can be a part of my affiliate team with Hugo's Way. So with Hugo's Way, it's just like any other broker. You're going to sign up, you're going to upload your documents, and then after, you can use your trading account. You're going to add US30 or the NAS 100 or S&P 500 to your watch list, and you can actually start trading it. Now, you need to understand, though, that indices are extremely volatile and they are nothing like Forex pairs. With the broker that I just referred you, link in the description where you guys can sign up, there is going to be specific lot sizes that you need to use. These are not like Forex pairs where you can use a 10 lot, because a 10 lot on an indice like US30 is like a $10 lot on Forex pairs. So I'm going to show you guys the exact lot sizes that you need to be using in just a second. All right, guys, welcome to my computer. We are going to get down to business. This is very important. Now, this is how to use proper risk for the S&P 500, US30, and NAS 100. All these indices, these are the top three, by the way, are listed on Hugo's Way. So what I would recommend that you guys do, I wouldn't even recommend this. You guys should have a minimum of $1,000 in your trading account. And if you are lacking on funds, watch my video right here on how to leverage credit to start trading Forex. Great video right here that will give you all the necessary steps. Okay, so with a $1,000 account, you're going to be using a 0.01 lot size, $2,000 account 0.02, 3K 0.03, 4K 0.04, 5K 0.05, 6K 0.06, and so on. I'm telling you guys, these are the lot sizes that you need to be using if you are trading indices. Okay, you guys should be able to do the math for the rest. Once you have $10,000 in your account, this is where it honestly starts to get really fun, because if you catch 100 pips, that's $100. And to be able to catch 100 pips on an indice is very, very easy. Now, a strategy that you guys can use if you are trading on the indices, US30 or NAS 100, is you can actually go on the 1 minute chart. And you can look for reversal candles like a doji, spinning top, something like that, and you can scalp the market. Now, even on the 1 minute chart, you're going to be able to see very quick moves. So if I go to the 1 minute chart here, check this out, guys. Let's go back to the New York session. Okay. See the open of the session. Okay, we're going to go to the open of the market right here. So this is 635 right here. We have this beautiful spinning top. Here's our false breakout to the downside, trap everyone to go short, then move up. So if we zoom in right here, I want you guys to notice that this setup right here, the risk is 330 pips, 33 points. But check out the reward. Check out this first 1 minute candle. It shot up 250 pips. So imagine if you have 10 racks in your account and you just caught 250 pips. That's $250 in a day. Imagine you do 2 of those trades per week. That is $500 for the week. It is very easy to catch a move like that. You just have to be patient. So if you're doing 500 pips for 4 weeks out of the month, that's an extra $2,000 coming into your bank account every single month. And you can keep your account at $10,000 as a threshold. So imagine if you're just doing 2% a month, very, very low risk to high reward trades. You guys are going to be blowing out of your mind. And that's the thing. It's like I told you guys, take 2 trades per week. That's taking 8 trades per month. A lot of you are probably like, Colt, I'd take 8 trades per 10 minutes, 8 trades per hour. That's awesome. But when you're trading like this, you really have to think of yourself as more of a, I'm focused on quality trades versus quantity. So here's a hack. You guys should risk 5% per trade. Obviously, it's going to differentiate with everyone. That's just me. I like to be a little bit risky. It's completely up to you. You might disagree, and that's fine, like I said. If you have a smaller stop loss than your risk, aka lot size, the lot size can be bigger. So if you have a 200 pip stop loss with a $10,000 account, you can do a 0.20 lot, and your loss would only be 40%, $400, which is 4% of your account size. So really what it comes down to is when you have a smaller lot size or a smaller stop loss, you can do a bigger lot size. At the end of the day though, what you need to have in mind is overall the percentage that you are really willing to risk per trade. And once you have figured that out, then you already know, okay, well, I'm going to do this lot size for this stop loss here. It's going to become very easy, but I'm telling you guys right now, indices are the way to go. I know you guys are all going to try it out and switch from Forex pairs to indices, and you're going to thank me later. But do not let US30 do you dirty, because she will. That's why you guys have to be very careful. And all my videos right here, all these videos right here are US30, all US30, all US30, all US30, all US30 right here. You guys can see that I'm really banking off US30, and literally all these videos have my strategy in it. So if you want to learn my strategy, all you have to do is go to my channel and watch these videos. This was the first video that I did on US30 right here. US30 strategy, use this right now. So go through all these videos, binge watch my videos, and you guys are going to get massive value. I'll see you guys in the next video, and if you do want to enroll into my Forex program, check out the link in my description. It's only $300 to get involved, and that is the cheapest that it has ever been, and it ever will be. See you guys later.